This is an era of information explosion. We were able to obtain all kinds of information from the internet. But you know, most people only have access to 10% of all internet information. 90% is still not accessible. That is a world outside the search range of Google, and that is our real world. The world we see now is only part of our world. If the internet were a sea, the websites and information that cannot be searched by Google is the deepest ocean. We can only reach the deepest real world, the deep web, through the help of certain tools. I'm convinced that there are many hidden treasures to be discovered. Listen to me, man. I know God has buried a treasure map in the deep web. Now let's explore to find that treasure map of God and unearth the buried treasure that could bring us fortune, reaching the shores of financial freedom. Just like I said, the deep web is the deepest ocean. It can be reached only through the help of some certain tools. So we must have that tool first, and it's called Tor. It's the most popular way to browse the deep web. So first, we open Google and type in download Tor in the search link. And in your search results, you go to the download page. So we click the appropriate links according to your computer's operating system and click download. We wait for the Tor download to complete. Now, taking this Windows system as an example, let's show you how to install Tor. Okay, so first we find the Tor installation file, we download it and begin installation. Select the language, click OK, and we'll go to the installation page. Then we can choose to install Tor anywhere on the computer. Many people install it on a USB drive. In this way, Tor can be isolated from the entire computer. And when we unplug the USB drive, Tor disappears and there is no existing evidence of Tor in our computer. If necessary, we can easily destroy or discard the USB drive, which, trust me, this is the safest way. Now, okay, select an installation location, click install, and wait. Then we deselect these two options, and we can click finish. Now, Tor is installed. Before opening, you can choose to install a VPN to protect your privacy to the fullest extent. Some network operators can monitor that you are browsing the deep web with Tor. For me, I will open the VPN first before browsing the deep web. As for VPN installation, you can Google it, quite easy. We will not discuss those details here. Now back to using Tor. First, we find Tor's folder where we just installed it. We open it, and we find a shortcut. Click it to start Tor. And then when we first run Tor, it will ask us to choose a network environment that best fits our current situation. In most cases, we can click Connect, where you don't need to use any other agents. We just click Connect. Then we'll see that the computer is connecting to Tor's network. If this is the first time connecting to Tor's network, it may take some time to load. Okay, so now we can begin to open Tor. So before browsing the deep web, there's two things you should pay attention to. The first thing is do not maximize the Tor window. Maximizing the window might leak your personal information and all your online information may be tracked by others, which is very dangerous. The second thing is that you need to click the onion icon on the upper left side. So we click the onion icon. After that, we go to security settings, then move the bar to the top security option. Now, with this, we can prevent some nasty HTML or JavaScript from posing threats to your network security. Okay, now settings are done. We can safely browse the deep web now. We need to be aware that with Tor, we can also browse the contents of .com or other common website types anonymously, but this is not the deep web content. Websites on the deep web are suffixed with .onion. This is the real deep web, and our treasure is also buried in the .onion websites. Okay, enter those magic letters in the Tor address field. They will lead us to God's treasure map. Please wait patiently. Tor's anonymous internet access is achieved via encrypted transmission between 3 computers, so the network will be slower. Now, trust me, God's treasure map is worth the wait. When the page is loaded, congratulations! You have successfully opened up God's treasure map, the VDS Deep Web official website. Through the exploration of the VDS world, you will harvest God's treasure and reach the shores of ultimate wealth freedom. Okay, first let's introduce the VDS Deep Web homepage layout. So we can see the options Home, ICEX, the games, what's VDS, Ecology, Download, and FAQ. Now they're like gates leading to the different treasure vaults, where unimaginable surprises can be found. We can learn about the design and features of VDS in the homepage, or by clicking the shortcut menu to enter the corresponding understanding and operation page. If you want to know detailed design logic and various VDS functions, please download the VDS white paper. Trust me, once you start to read the VDS white paper, you will be impressed. Next, we need to move on to the ICEX page. So, before this, we need another basic point of knowledge. That is Vollar. Vollar is the standard monetary unit in VDS. There are many ways to get Vollar, like establishing super master nodes, mining, trust stamp system fission promotion, exchange purchases, and distributed OTC trade. And there's also one direct way to get Vollar, and that's by converting Bitcoin in resonance trade. On the ICEX page, we make clear the current one-way exchange rate between Bitcoin and Vollar, the total cumulative Bitcoin exchanged, the current stage of ICEX, and the corresponding block height and reward multiplier. This is a strong extension among the VDS decentralized functions. It's called resonance trade. Actually, it is a dynamic cross-blockchain one-way exchange between BTC and VDS. And for the ICEX procedure details, you can refer to the website. We need to get a grip on these opportunities brought by ICEX, as only in this stage it has the rewards multiplier. This is the only chance that we have. So, also when we participate in ICEX, the VDS chain is already online. We can operate it via the VDS wallet application, and again, there's no need to worry this is going to be some boring fraud ICO. Now, after ICEX has finished, this page will be updated to the CEX stage page. All the exchange rates will go into normal mode. When Bitcoin can be resonated into Vollar such that it results in a higher legal tender value, CEX will again keep running. At this time, CEX represents a sustainable exchange of currency. As the value of Vollar increases, you'll find this will be an ideal investment with high returns for all of us. When VDS is started, you'll figure out why you can exchange Bitcoin for more legal tender. This you can check out for yourself. But I will tell you what happens to the exchanged Bitcoins. They will be sent to the top 10 and lucky 20 of each game as a reward. Now, this will serve as a stimulant to drive the market in ecology, continuously increasing just rapid expansion of VDS. Let's check out the game page. Now, displayed here are the Bitcoin reward amount for the last game, the cumulative Bitcoin reward amount for the current game, and cumulative total paid out Bitcoin reward amount and the estimated minimum Bitcoin reward amount for the next game are displayed. They're all displayed here. And all the Bitcoin reward data is very, very clear. The relevant information for the top 10 and lucky 20 Lightmaster nodes is displayed in the Bitcoin rewards data. All the trading addresses are open, and detailed system transfers records can be traced on the blockchain. You can tell exactly who received the Bitcoin rewards. Every single week, the game and lottery results are posted clearly on the blockchain. As for how to become a top 10 or lucky 20 in each game, the detailed information can be found here. So, you can also read the white paper or pay attention to our following videos. You will get the answers you want. Now let's review the What's V page. You can quickly learn the basic concepts and information of VDS here. We can go through the VDS Introduction, product design logic, functions, the 6 networks, and a issue and summary of the VDS. Yes, I believe that after you finish reading all this information on this page, you'll be amazed by the VDS Non-Centralized Consensus Society Full Ecology Future Currency Network. You'll learn how it addresses the security problem of our privacy and assets. Understand how it brings all the global currencies into the dispersed business empire of VDS players. And even how it converts our interpersonal relationships into consumer capital, providing us with ceaseless cash flow earnings. We need to build this powerful, decentralized ecological network together to achieve ultimate consensus victory. So therefore, on the ecology page, you'll see the tasks and a relevant task list and the Vollar rewards for each task. Click Read for more details. Generous rewards have been prepared for tasks involving the initial VDS ecology construction. For example, in the first year, every week 20,000 Vollar will be split equally among every group who creates a clear website. Let's tell the world together what's coming. The road to decentralization is long and arduous, and everyone is welcome to participate in the ecological development of VDS. Let's embrace this decentralized kingdom of freedom that belongs to everyone. So how does it sound? Are you ready to try? The treasure map of God leads us to the treasure vaults, but we still need to do the mining ourselves. And we have prepared the mining tools for you. You can go to the download page, click to install the VDS client-side wallet. VDS is compatible for PC, Android, and Linux clients. The powerful uses and functions of the VDS client-side wallet will be introduced in detail in other videos. Please kindly pay attention to them. Now, all the video materials and other text materials can be downloaded from the download page. You can study it after downloading. You will quickly understand the VDS and easily learn how to use it with the assistance of these videos. Now, on the FAQ page, all the questions we may encounter regarding product design logic and product usage are answered. If you have any other issues, please feel free to inform us. We will keep improving and upgrading VDS via comprehensive analysis. Okay, at last, to all you ultimate cryptocurrency players out there, we welcome you to the world of VDS. Here, you will regain the absolute security of privacy and wealth. Here, you will be engaged in a revolutionary blockchain innovation. Here, you will experience the unprecedented charm of decentralized finance and business. And here, you will definitely realize ultimate wealth freedom and find a perfect life.